Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new trading week. There's going to be a lot of opportunity out there. One question I'm pondering this morning and something that I sent a research note on to our clubhouse members and our coaching clients over the weekend is whether industrial stocks are setting up for a trade to the long side. This could be the most underappreciated part of the market for a bounce in the near term. And so in order to show you this, I'm going to quickly give you a glance at our brand new dashboard, which is going to be revealed, by the way, at our Denver workshop in September. So make sure you sign up for that. I'm going to give you a tiny little glimpse at this, just so you can kind of see what's possible. This way you guys can see why I think industrial stocks could start to see a bit of a bounce. And by the way, just to be very, very clear on this, and again, if you're a coaching client or a clubhouse member or something like that, you know that we thematically, through the lens of a few months or quarters, we don't like industrial stocks. It's just now for a trade, days, maybe a few weeks or so. Let's have a look. Let me show you guys what all of this looks like. Okay, I don't want to show you too much, but basically I got a little bit of a signal here in industrial stocks. All I did is click for a B2 signal, a couple things here and there, and I got to this, and this stock popped up, EMR, okay, giving us some beautiful buy signals. In fact, 2 in a row now. And this is of course a stock that is an industrial stock. If you go over here and we look at the actual industrial sector, the XLI is the ticker symbol up here, you'll note that this is giving us a lot of bullish signals here. Look at that strong bullish reversal. And because of that, our dashboard is finding opportunities. Again, it's also signaling to us that industrial stocks have gone short-term neutral and now bullish. Just to give you an idea of what else is possible here, and I'm going to quickly get the tripod in place so it's not so shaky. Give me 1 second. Okay, it's not just this one stock that I'm showing here, but also, like, for example, some very, very prominent industrial stocks like Caterpillar. Okay, CAT. If you look at CAT, once it comes up here, you can see, maybe push this over, a real nice bullish reversal here taking place. There you go. It's this down here. Or, for example, BA, which is Boeing, BA. You type that in. You can see it here as well. So because of what's happening here on the industrial stock level, all I did is I went over to our dashboard, which again is going to be released in Denver, September 14 to 16, at our special workshop. Everyone that's attending is going to get access to this for a bit. You're going to have a tremendous time learning the entire process and finally become profitable. But I typed it into the dashboard, found Emerson Electric as a bullish setup here, and that's that. So I wanted to keep it short and sweet here to start off a brand new trading week, but very exciting for all the stuff that's coming down the pipe. This thing is absolutely amazing. Again, it's going to be released in Denver in just a few weeks from right now. So make sure to join us there at our workshop. Link is down below or in the email if you received this by an email. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. We still have, I think one VIP or 2. I don't remember. I think 1 or 2 VIP tickets left, which means dinner with me and actually again access to the to this dashboard for a bit. So hope to see you guys. Have a great start to the week. I'll talk to you tomorrow.